Welcome to the video of how to upload a single catalog on Meesho. In this video, we will explain the simple and easy process of uploading a catalog using the single upload feature of the Supplier Panel. To get started, make sure you are logged into the Supplier Panel with your email ID and password. Once logged in, go to the Catalog Upload section of the panel and click on the Add Single Catalog. Clicking on this will take you to the next page where you will be asked to choose the right template for your catalog. You can also choose to search the category that matches your catalog. Remember, your catalog name and product names will be automatically set as per the template you choose. Once you select the right template, you will be prompted to add product images. Here, you are supposed to upload only the front image for each product that is in the catalog. Make sure you read the image guidelines before uploading the photos. This will ensure reduced quality check errors. You can read the instructions by clicking here. When you are uploading the product images, remember a few things. The first image of every catalog should be a front side image, and it should be a sharp and clear shot of the product. Images with text or watermark won't be accepted. Also, make sure you don't add the price or the logo of the brand. Once you are done making sure you have the correct photo, click on Add Product Images to add the image. Do note, you can add multiple products to your catalog by adding the front images of all your available products belonging to that specific catalog. Click on Continue once you've added all the product images. You will be redirected to the product details page. This page will allow you to do two things. One, you will be able to add details for each of the products you have added. 2. You can add more images to each of your product for better visibility for your buyers. When adding details, remember that fields marked with an asterisk are compulsory to be filled. You will be asked to enter two prices in the product details. The first one is the Meesho price, which is the price you would want to sell the product on our platform. The second one is the MRP section, which is the maximum retail price for the product. If you wish to add more images for your products, you can click here on the Add Images button, which is located to the front image of every product. To edit details for our products in your catalog, simply click on the Product tab you wish to edit and update the details as you need. If you wish to add a new product, you can do so by clicking on Add Product. You can also delete a particular product from our catalog by clicking here. Once you are ready to submit your catalog, click on the Submit Catalog button. Your catalog will then be checked for quality by the Meesho Quality Check team before it is uploaded for the buyers to purchase. To see the status of your uploaded catalog, go to the Catalog Upload section of the admin panel. The tab QC in Progress will show you the catalogs that are still being verified. The Live tab will show you all your live catalogs on Meesho. To check on catalogs with QC errors, click on the QC Error tab, which will give you all the details for the catalog that don't pass the quality check. So, this is all you needed to know in order to successfully upload a catalog. If you have any doubts or queries, please go to the support section of the admin panel. You will then be redirected to a page with a list of common problems that suppliers face. You can click on these topics to resolve your doubts. If your queries are still not solved, you can raise a ticket by clicking here, where you will be asked to share more details regarding the query and a callback number so our agents can get in touch with you. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel